but you're going to find consistency using silver bullet because it's time-based, and it's always going to form. Every single day, it's there. The problem is you want it to form on your favorite time frame. You want it to fit your already established expectation or preconceived notions about what price should do. And you're not following the rules. So yes, you're doing shit wrong. And you're not getting the results, and that's expected, right? If I give you a recipe and say, this is the ingredients, this is the order you do it, and this is what you should expect as a result, and you substitute something, okay? You leave a key ingredient out and replace it with what you think is better suited for that. You're not going to get the same result. And don't complain that you didn't get the result that was promoted by me that you should be getting if you're doing something outside the scope of the instructions and parameters I've given. If you come to me as an educator, as a mentor, you're trusting me enough to give me your attention initially. So why don't you fucking follow the rules that I've placed in front of you? You're failing. You are failing, not me. You are. So you have to change that shit. It's always going to be you. When I mess up and when I fail, nobody's fault but mine. That's accountability. You have to be accountable to yourself. And some people just don't want to be accountable. They want to have the luxury of being able to blame somebody else because they fucked up. They didn't do something right. And in this industry, guess what, Jack? You don't get that luxury. It's always you. Because I don't run a fucking signal service. If you make money, congratulations. You did it right. Well done. I am proud of you. If you lose money, eat that shit because you did it on your own. What do you mean, eat that shit? Learn from it. It's hard medicine. It's a bitter pill. Swallow it. It's going to make you better. It will make you better. It's going to make you the trader you want to be. You think that it's always going to be the sugar highs that make you the best trader that you're ever going to be. Give me the stuff that works, ICT. Fuck all the bullshit. You're going to learn from all the cuts, the abrasions, the bruises, the losses. That's what I learned from. And you're going to learn from it too. But you have to allow that to happen. You can't tiptoe around thinking, I'm going to avoid losing trades. You're not. Because the more you try to do that, it's going to land right in your lap. But every single time I blew out an account, it was on the heels of a good run. And I wanted to feel good again because it was wearing off too fast. The same fucking hour, walking around like, oh man, shit. I made more money than I make a whole month. A whole month of work in this bullshit job. I made more money than that in this one fucking trade. Man, like if I just did that once a month, I don't need to have a job. Yeah, it's great. It's wearing off. I gotta do it again. And you think that you can just go into the market and find something like that again, forgetting the fact that it just took you 2.5, 3 weeks for that price run to continue, to complete and go to its target. You get tore up by the chemical imbalances in your brain when you win, and you don't even know what that feels like yet because you haven't done it yet. You haven't won. You haven't found consistency. And when that achievement is reached, you have a whole new level of learning to go through. It's something, folks. It's a learning process.
You have to submit to your own development. If it takes you 6 years, so what? Where else are you going to be in 6 years? At least you know where you're going. At least you're moving towards that goal. I'm a break-even trader, Michael. I can't make any money. It's pissing me off. You know what I see? That's opportunity. Because if you're not losing money, you're consistently staying around the unchanged mark, you got what it takes. You have what it takes.
Adversities are always going to be there in anything you do. How you deal with them, how you think about them, how you give them power and authority over you, that's the deciding factor, whether you succeed or fail in overcoming them. But you can't hide from them. You can't pretend they don't exist. You fucking identify them, point them out, and say, your ass is out of here, motherfucker. You don't get to stay here no more. You attack it.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Come on in. The water's fine. Hope you guys are doing well. Say what's up in the chat. Go ahead and hit that like button, boys and girls. It would be much appreciated. Happy Tuesday. Hope everybody is doing fantastic. What's up, Connor? What's up, Diego? Wolf, Tom, Paris Trades, Saruz. What's up, Goat? ML Trades. Oh, who else we got in here? What's up, Nins? Good morning, Melda. Good morning, Arbaz. Horty Panda, good morning. Michelle, good morning. Jay, good morning. What's going on, right? Bill, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody is doing great. Happy PPI day, I guess. PPI Tuesday today is what they tell me. I don't know. I don't know if that's true or not. That's what they're saying. That's what they're telling me. I don't know if it's true, but I guess we'll find out. Good morning, everybody. We got like, let's see. Ooh, market opening up here. Let's go to the charts here. Let's go to the charts. Let's watch this market open, shall we? We might as well. It ain't very often we get to see it.
3, 2, 1, let's fire!
There we go. We saw it. Market opening up here. And anyway, real quick though, let's jump out and look at the higher time frames as always. And yes, economic calendar. We do have PPI today. I wasn't fucking around. We had PPI early in pre-market. I think my time got switched again back to Central Time. Where is it? Eastern Time. There we go. Much better. All right, yeah. So PPI early, pre-market obviously, and we have pending home sales at 10. So we do have orange folder news at 10 a.m. But looking here at the daily chart, the only thing that I'm really noticing on this daily is that ES closed above this November 20th down close daily candle where we had that huge sell-off. We closed above that opening price, technically giving us a change in the state of delivery here. On the ES daily chart, NQ not quite as strong on the daily. We essentially have the same open and closing prices here, like kind of across the board. Looking at the 4-hour, the only thing that makes me feel a little bit bearish on this initial move is the fact that we've SMT'd this high. So we SMT'd right here with ES and NQ. So higher high on ES, lower high on NQ, expecting retracement here. And I would say, though, I don't really expect it to be like a full-blown reversal to the lows. I'm kind of more so expecting it to be a correction back to rebalance. So I'm going to mark out from this swing low to this swing high. And kind of expecting more of a retracement down in here below 700 into the 600s. Yeah, 50% of the range is like 677, 618 is like 602. Obviously, big ranges here, but that's kind of what I'm thinking for now, which could mean that we have opportunity to short actually, to that potentially. A little bit of divergence going on currently on the current hourly candle. NQ is bearish, ES bullish. So that's interesting. Yeah, NQ just ran out this low here to the left. So obviously creating another SMT here at this low now. See what it wants to do. I like the rebalance though on the higher, like the hourly and the 4-hour. Right before a move higher, but we did just sweep this little low here, so maybe that's all it wants to do. We'll find out. We'll find out, boys. But yeah, definitely be open to playing shorts if we got some follow through down here. For that reason. Let's see. Let's drop back down to the 1 minute. Oh. Nasty. What do you guys think? What's this about to do here? You think it's just gonna... We're not having currently yet. It might still have. We're only 3 minutes into the open. We're not having a straight move in one direction just yet. But something tells me that it might be coming. Let's see. Where was our PPI This is 8:30. We do have a data high open. Whether they leave it for later or not. Data high. 960. Looks like ES is ripping right to that data high, boys and girls. ES is on the cusp. We'll see. Anyway, what's the poll in the chat, God Sam? We got 57% bullish, 43% bearish, so it's actually not too lopsided today. A little bit of a mixed bag, I'd say. Mr. FC Mobile says, don't take trade. All right, Mr. FC Mobile. Between the name and the comment, it's the first time I've ever seen your name in the chat. And you're already at one strike. You're going in the VIP room early today. We'll do a quick 10 minutes. Quick 10 minutes for Mr. FC Mobile. Stupid comment of the day award so far. What's up, silly goose? What's up, Sam? Good lord. Oh my goodness. YouTube has all of these flags, but not a flag of the US. What? Taken in? They got a flag of the United States, no? They got to. USA. What? Do they actually not? What? That's crazy. Bro, they don't. That's fucked. Oh, they don't have any of the country's flags, though. They don't have any other country's flags. They just have, yeah, they just have the pride flag and whatever this. What is this fucking flag? What is this? What is this blue and pink flag? What is this? Transgender flag? Oh God, I almost typed that in the chat. Could you imagine? Wow. That's funny. What's up, Mohammed? He says, suggest me a username for my YouTube. Kevin Johnson. What's like? No, I don't know. Your name is fine. If that's your name, that's fine. I mean, at least you're not like Amazon store or some bullshit. What's up, Robin? What's up, Tyler? Done with my exams, but I have some shorts on NQ if the opportunity presents. What's up, Tyler? Done with exams. About to have some shorts on NQ if the opportunity presents. Let's go, Robins. Robins N-Cube. Yeah, we'll see. I like the shorts as well, just to rebalance. See what happens. ES really close to taking out this data high. This is going to be kind of OCD moment for me if we like generate equal highs at that data high and then sell off here. I would fucking love to see ES take this out. Please take this out, ES. Please take that out. If it's any consolation, YM is taking it out. YM is literally straight up right now. I just hate using YM for SMT. It's just always in its own universe. It's like technically, isn't there kind of like always an SMT with YM because it's just always doing its own thing? I don't know. It's just kind of how I feel about it. You know, we do have medium impact news at 10 a.m. boys and girls. So far, we're not getting a straight away move either direction, which is nice. Finally, I mean that's what we've been getting for like the last week. I feel like it's like a straight move at open, like 200, 300 points. So we are just staying kaput for right now. What's up, Malik? Thank you, Gopinath. I'm glad you think they're funny. I like to think I'm a funny guy sometimes. But yeah, man. Oh. Yeah, YM is mooning right now. What's up, Big Ed Reef? YM is mooning. Absolutely mooning. I don't even know what's gold doing. I haven't even looked at gold. Y'all had me convinced that gold might be the move, and then ever since I started looking at it, I'm like, gross. Gold's selling off here this hour. Yeah, ever since you guys started saying gold's the GOAT, I'm like, this might be the worst. Gold might actually be the worst chart I've ever seen in my life. In recent history. Like, looking at gold and trying to, like, come up with, like, really good trade ideas on gold. I'm like, what the fuck are you guys looking at? Like, none of it makes any sense. You know? But then again, I guess, like, to be fair, it's kind of been in a sideways daily range for ever since we sold off from the highs, right? So we finally took a break from new all-time highs. Sold off here, yeah, from really, like, October 21st to now. It's just kind of been in, like, yeah, for a month, basically. It's been in a sideways range. So, to be fair. Starting to see a sell-off coming in now on NASDAQ. Bro, that's so annoying. How is ES not going to take out the data high there? Ugh. How you not going to do these? Dollar. Why did they take out the data high? But yeah, I like this 50% equilibrium move. It's kind of a big move compared to Asia, right? Asia was super tight. And pause. Asia range was super tight. Sounds a 941. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see if we can't get this. I might try shorts on something if we get a little retracement into a fair value gap. To be honest. And take down at 50% of the range. I have to remark it out. Let's see. We get something like this. Is this actually our first presented gap as well? It is. Crazy. It is our first presented fair value gap. See if we get like a nice alignment with like 50% of this leg. We were just talking about how price wasn't doing a straightaway move. Now watch it just go like straight down. Hot knife through butter incoming. Nah, we gotta pull back for the first presented gap, right? We got to. We can't leave that. We gotta at least touch it. No? Come on. Let's see what this... Oh, boy. Oh, lordy. Jays Louise. Oh, my... It's over, boys. It's fucking over. Are you shitting me right now? Come on. Oh, one fair value. Buddy waits for one fair value gap, and it's peace out, Boy Scout. Shit. God forbid a white boy wait for a little fair value gap action. They hate us because they ain't us. They hate us because they ain't us. No, they hate us because they ain't us. We're already almost back to that 50% level. Let's see if we get a retracement here. New 15-minute candle incoming. I'll drop a limit. I'll drop a limit on this first presented gap. I mean, but once we rebalance, I'm out. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Some like this, perhaps. See if we get picked up on it. But if we take out 677 first, it'll just take it off and probably look for longs at that point. They hate us because they ain't us. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. No. 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 Oh, boy. Man, there she goes. Son of a gun. Yeah, you quite literally had to chase this if you were going to catch it, pretty much. Or just take a chance on something up in here, I guess. It is what it is. Meh. Hey, guys, at least we didn't go long, right? Hey. Better to miss this than to try going long, right? Chat was bullish, so I don't know. Never know. Somebody might have been trying to long right here. Somebody might have said, "Oh, hey, look at this 1 minute change in the state of delivery here. Let me long that shit." Yeah, could have been. So RIP to the bulls there. RIP to the bulls. Melda, you shorted it? Oh my gosh. All right, guys, there's 50%. Just didn't get picked up, man. That's really all it is. Didn't get picked up on this. I literally said as soon as we leave this fair value gap behind, I'm going to look to trade it, and we just never traded back to it. All right, sell limit coming off. That sucks. I'm probably going to be looking for more so longs now, though. We've rebalanced, so I think we could come back up. Obviously, look to target first presented gap now, potentially for buy side. And then obviously we generated like perfect equal highs almost at data highs on ES, so we'll see. Let's see if we can get there as well. Yeah, what do you do? We called it though. I mean, we called the retracement to rebalance. Just she was too fast. Too fast and unforgiving. Too fast and unforgiving, unfortunately. Let's see here. New 15-minute. Opened up right here. No upper wick. Just another drive down here. Macro beginning in a few, and top of the hour in like 12 minutes. I guess so, Z Trades. Yeah, yep. I guess so, huh? He says the SMT at 7:30 told the story. Was still protected on ES as well. I guess so. Long now only if you have the balls. Listen, you can size way down and do a starter here. But you're also kind of, you know, I guess more so just expecting this range, this rebalance to, you're expecting this move to be a rebalance, I should say, to then go back higher. There's always the possibility, boys, that this is wrong and this whole range gets wiped out and we go to new lows. That's always a possibility. But I'll let the market prove that to me first. I'm not gonna try to predict that. All I know is when we leave all these breakaway gaps, they're usually great targets on the reverse side of the curve, so. Heavy AF right now. Drake has entered the chat on the hourly. Drake has entered thy chat. Which is weird because my ex's name is Chat. Damn. The jokes write themselves. Do any of you guys have problems with TradingView being laggy AF when taking TP? Yeah, there is a little bit of latency with TradingView. It's a little laggy. I feel like recently too, it's been more problematic on streams, but it's been good so far this week, knock on wood. TradingView is running the Black Friday deal, so I got to remember to re-up my subscription before the deal goes away. I think I have a TradingView affiliate link somewhere, but I'm not going to look for it, but I could be shilling that out right now. What am I doing? What am I doing? If heavy sell, I won't go buy. Yesterday, I learned the mistake. If have buy, I should not go sell. Yesterday, whole day buy. Well said, Wolf Dubai. Fair enough. Fair enough, man. Oh, man. Could this be it? I always get a little bit tripped out longing an inversion before 10 a.m. just because I'm like, dude, what if we just put in a new hourly low and I get manipulated out? But then I ask myself, I'm like, yeah, but what if this is the move and you miss out? And then I get FOMO. Right? What if this is a perfect V-shape recovery? And I say, touche. You know what I mean? You can blame it all on me. Yeah, I'm going to drop a limit on that 50% level and inversion. Oops. So I'm going to try the longs from 677 and 3/4 if I can get filled on that. Yeah, I don't know. Probably just need like 930 opening price would be good. I will definitely be closing most of the position at first presented gap though. Look at this perfect bounce off 618. Literally to the tick. 618 to the tick. I just love when it does that. You know what I mean? Just love when it does that. It looks so cool. 53 right now. Okay. I think we should be fine with the news. I know we have orange folder news. It's not red folder though. Okay, bro. Are you just going to run straight back up? This is so sweet, bro. Hell yeah. Yep. Run straight down, run straight up. That's what I would do. You're telling me in a world where 1 minute candles are 50 plus points every minute, I can't get this? I can't get an 8-point wick to pick me up? Sick. Limits on. We'll see if it gets picked up. But, I mean, yeah, same thing kind of goes here. Obviously, if we start hitting my targets, it's like, well, probably missed the trade there. Look at this V, bro. This is one of the sharpest Vs I may have ever seen. Look how sharp this is. You could cut yourself on this. Don't stand too close. Hey, listen. Hey. Don't stand too close. You might cut yourself if you get too close to this. Ouch, pair. That sounds painful. Who said, hey, taken in. Dude, we should have caught the falling knife. What are we doing? What are we doing? Best account to get. Hey, guys. Hey, real quick. I don't think this has launched yet. But I'm gonna hook you guys up. All right? Let me just double check. If you're listening to my voice right now and you're about to get a Tradeify account, just wait a second, okay? Just wait a second. I don't know if I can get in trouble for announcing it early, but they are going to be launching a Black Friday sale, I think today, for 40% off. Let me check. I don't think it's live yet. But it is 40% off growth and lightning funded accounts, 25 and 50Ks. So just letting you know, in case you were going to buy one of those account options, if you wait just a smidge longer, you're going to get a little bit deeper of a discount. The only thing that I ask, use code Tyler. Now that I let you know, that's all hey, I don't make the rules. What's fair is fair. Also, hit the like button. What's up, guys? It'll put you live in. I know, dude. Bro, I could have been in. Oh man, dude, just think about it like that. I was one. All I did is I did a little salute, and I played Kanye's song on my stream, and that was the difference between me being invited to Miami for the rendezvous this last weekend versus not. Can you believe that? So much for my white male privilege. That shit's never got me anywhere. That shit's fake. It is what it is. All right, whatever. What's up, brother? Yeah, bro, this is crazy. This is just a straight V back up. Fuck. Did anybody enter this inversion? I literally was trying to get fancy with it and get a little bit better of an entry here. I really wanted to be able to get the entry right at 50%. This is so fast. Did anybody just enter here and on the close? Because, damn. Obviously, now that I'm getting left behind, I'm kind of wishing I did the same thing. Obviously, that's easy to say in hindsight, but that sucks. I mean, dude, literally 2 moves here. We've now framed 2 moves and successfully missed 2 moves. That's the only downside about using limits sometimes. The upside is that you get great entries using limits, but the downside is sometimes market executing is just the better, you know. Fuck me. That's crazy. All right. Limit coming off. I wanted to long into this first presented gap that was ended up being a breakaway as like a first target, and then just see if we get follow through. Like, look at these data highs that ES is just trucking toward. I think we're gonna get there. I was gonna hold runners until ES took those highs as well. But I was gonna take like 3 of 5 off or 4 of 5 off here, and then just let 1 or 2 run. Damn, bro. Fuck. That sucks. That was so clean. A little bit of FOMO. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Damn. Listen, who caught... This would be crazy. Who caught the shorts to 50% to rebalance? And then who caught the longs back to this first presented gap? If you caught both of those moves, bro, do yourself a favor. Shut that PC down for the day. You're good. You're good, bud. Yeah, you're good. That's a bummer. Damn it. New hourly open. New hour, 1 hour and 4 hour open. That's a little frustrating. All right, but now we got to be patient, all right? We got to be patient because the last thing I want to do is like rush into something that isn't really there now because of missing these 2 moves. I don't want to let that lead to me making a mistake. That would suck, obviously. So nice reaction here current. I mean, I just don't see us leaving these highs here, to be honest. I just don't see it. I mean, it's always possible, but as of right now, hourly candle and 4 hour candle opening up lower. I would personally like to see this be a lower wick, power of 3, and then distribute higher. Which kind of leads me back to my original entry in a way, slightly. And I just wonder if I should keep. Do I put the limit back on and try to play that? Something like this. Probably have to do lower size, but it's just. Yeah, we'll see what we want to do in this area. I think if we can see price hold out of this, maybe look to play it, but I don't know if I just want to front run it. This is coming down awfully fast. You could cut yourself on this reversal too. You cut yourself here, you cut yourself there, you cut yourself everywhere. Why is market trying to slice us up right now? What's going on? What are they doing? Well, I guess for the moment, it's kind of looking like this long would have been partial, and then this would probably break even on the rest. Sheesh. Somebody said short from first presented fair value gap. Right now, that is looking beautiful. Crazy. Yo, what is ES on right now? Yo, they're trying, chat. They're trying to get you. They're trying to get you today. Oh yeah. Big retracements, sharp, fast reversals. Oh, dude, they're trying to absolutely slap it and rub it down, I think. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. All right, here is that initial entry. Let's see if this would have been like, should I have just kept the limit on here? Or is this just going to get blown out? I'm just going to watch, bro. I don't know. I'm going to wait and see what kind of structure we can form and see if there's something worth playing or not, but... Do we take out the hourly low, chat? Is that about to happen? How to control revenge trading? Just don't press the button anymore. I mean, if you have a problem with revenge trading, then just set a rule. You know, 2 trades a day, and that's it. And then when you break your rules, the problem is like people break their rules and there's just no like accountability or consequence. You know what I mean? At least if I break my rules, it's done in front of people and everybody calls me a Riri. Guys, this limit would be printing. We're fumbling bad today. This is a fumble all across the board. Everything's being fumbled right now. I'm fucking scared. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what to do right now. Market's moving so fast, I'm getting dizzy. Nice. Are we going long? I don't know, bro. I'm kind of just waiting right now. I don't. It's a lot of just sharp moves back and forth. My original limit I took off once we hit my first target. The rest would have been break even stopped, and now we're flying off that same gap. So, I mean, it makes sense. Like if this hourly wick were to hold, right? Protected low, and then we see price carry out that distribution higher. But yeah, I don't know. I just didn't really have the confidence here. So I'm kind of just waiting. I'll play this inversion. I did a little bit lighter size. I did 4 micros here, risking 570. See if we can get a trade back up to like toward New York midnight in these highs. I will partial like half when the data highs are taken on ES. All right, filled 756. My break even will be this high here probably. Data highs on ES 730, so that'll be TP1. See what happens. Yeah, I don't know. Fast moving market this morning though. PPI madness. Aguilarov says pure shorts, go short now. Don't say that. As it immediately starts dumping. Holy fucking shit. Really? Might be wrong. We'll see what happens. Still holding it. Not going to close it early. I'll let the stop take me out. Yeah, she's moving quick today. These ranges are just so aggressive. Like this is 85 points. Ain't that crazy? Your body's not ready for the chop, therefore you're out. Oh, taken in. We live for the chop around here. It's a mainstay. Hey, Tim says it's so obvious it will go higher, but it's going to smash us first. Oh, that would suck. That would really suck, wouldn't it? Yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna let the stop take me out if it's gonna be offside here, and then we'll just wait and reassess. But how we get left behind? How we get left behind on the short and the long here just to get caught in this? Macros don't exist, they say. All right, well, hands off the mouse. I just hope my stop's in a good spot. I feel like it is, right? Like, this inversion gap is kind of what I'm trading off of. I did put it below this gap here. I'm just trying to save myself in such a volatile environment. I'm trying to save myself the extra, like, fucking 30 points. We're kind of just chopping at the entry right now. But I don't know. Like, it looks decent still on the 15. Obviously, huge wicks to the downside here. Huge wicks in both directions on YM. I mean, YM literally looks like a fuckfest. I don't know who's controlling YM, but whoever it is fucking ornery today. Like, super pissed. It's YM's time of the month is basically what I'm trying to say. Taking in when you said that your body can't handle the chop, I'm starting to feel it a little bit now. My body's starting to also not really care for the chop as much. See how long it lasts. Come on, PPI day. Come on, PPI day. Come on, PPI. Don't leave my PP asking why. I don't know. I thought it was funny. He's sweating. I just don't like being in trades that do stuff. I don't like being in chop. I really don't. That's why I'm always such a stickler about like macro and timing. But yeah. I mean, I think everybody prefers to be in the fast, quick trades. I don't think anyone likes being in chop. So I don't think I'm alone by that, or by saying that. But just trust in the higher time frames here. A lot of noise on this 1 minute, 2 minute, etc. Why don't I trade 9:30 open? It's usually a shit show. But yeah, man, I mean, I was only bearish until we rebalanced this range, and then I wanted to be bullish. So it's like, I'm not flipping on anything that I've said. In fact, it's pretty much doing exactly what I've said so far. And now it's just trying to see the move kind of continue here, but might just have to be patient. And just hope I don't get caught in, you know, too much chopping back and forth in here, enough to stop me out, right? But yeah, it's not fun sitting in this. Look at this. It's literally building up. I don't know what it's going to do, but it's going to do something. Should I call this a bull flag or a bear flag? It is just building up for a fucking pop one way or the other. Let's say bull flag. It's a triangle of sorts. Yeah, if you guys look here, we got this acute triangle pattern. Can I get a triangle, actually? Is there a triangle somewhere? Wrong way, Naz bitch. Wrong way, Nasdick. All right, last hope here. Soup it. Soup it. Like nobody can tell me you guys like sitting in these types of trades. This absolutely sucks. I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy. JK, I probably would, but I'm kind of a sick, twisted fuck like that. Daniel Betcher, why would you long it? All right, Daniel. I didn't think someone could retake stupid comment of the day, but I guess you found a way. So into the VIP room you go. Despite what your mother has told you, there are such a thing as stupid questions. If I look away from it, maybe it'll go the right way. Just don't stare directly into the chart. Just do a subtle peek every once in a while. It's working. Nobody say anything. Shh. Quiet. You're going to scare it.
I'm gonna come.
All right, boys. Come on. All right, I'm going break even. I'm going break even now. ES is running out this high. My first take profit. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Has that been on the whole time? Fucking Daniel. All right, guys, I'm break even. First take profit is going to be when ES runs out data highs at 730.5. All right. Sick. But yeah, if it comes back down into this range, then it's just chop, and we don't want to be in it anyway. Fair enough. The silent treatment worked. All right. Holy fuck. Oh, that sucked, though. That sucked. That did not feel good. Oh, yeah, I don't know. It's like when they use teeth. You know what I mean? This is a heated mug I have here, yes. It was actually a gift from Tyler Jacobs in the chat. Shout out Tyler Jacobs. He's bougie though. He's got all the bougie everything. Oh, shut the fuck up. Yo, if you're gonna generate more highs and not run this out, I'm deleting myself. That first presented is holding taken in. Yeah, it's kind of sad. Yeah. It's holding on NQ. ES, I think we're already above it. We'll see. Yeah, silent treatment again, I guess.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Woo! Never a doubt, chat. Never a doubt. Holy fuck. I just lost 8 years off of my life. At least. Fuck. Oh, I'm going to be sick. Anyway, TP1 hit. ES is taking out the highs. Oh, yeah. I'm going to go throw up. Nah, I'm just kidding. Yeah, hit the subscribe button. Hey, Jam Jar, if you could, hit the like button too. Jam Jar, hit the like button. Hit that like button. Don't be stingy with it. Macro is incoming, boys. Macro is incoming. Let's see if we can hold this. We got a new 15-minute, by the way, as well. So the new 15-minute is coming up here. Tapping 930 open. We're SMTing the highs, but let's see if we can get some follow-through. Fucking A. You know what I'm saying? This whole time I was sitting there quiet, I'm watching YM just fucking rip and rip and rip. And I'm like, NQ, what are we doing? You know what I'm saying? I'm like, what are we doing? Like, let's fucking get with the program here. All right. All right, let's go one more off there for good measure. What? Anyway, I took one more off there. I just got a rate limit warning. Did you guys see that? It said they're limiting me or something due to like too many canceled executions in a short time. What did I do wrong? This is literally the only trade I've taken today. The reason that I took that one more off, by the way, was because we're hitting this hourly OB, and there's SMT against the trade. So I'm just trying to, you know, secure as much as I can while I can. But yes, I would still like to see this rip. Oops. Bro. Tradeify is rate. Look at this shit. Tradeify is rate limiting you. Tradeify is rate limiting your accounts due to too many order actions. Create, cancel, modify in a short time. What the fuck are you saying? Fuck you, Tradeify. You don't know me. You don't know what I've been through. Tradeify. Did you see what I was holding through, Tradeify? Fucking coming at me. Looking at me funny. I don't fucking think so. Not today. You don't know who you're fucking dealing with, pal. I'd like to have a word. I'd like to have a word. All right, guys. Macro's beginning in like 2 minutes. I'm not even copy trading. What is going on? I'm getting emails from TradeSyncer now. They're saying, bro, you're going to prison. What did I do? I can promise you I've taken more trades in a short time than whatever I'm doing here. All I did was cancel some limits. Cancel some trades. What the fuck? Well, boys, looking like this exit wasn't such a bad idea after all for a partial. See if we can get some follow through now that we're above first presented gap. This first presented gap was literally a brick wall for a while here. So if this doesn't give us a nice solid base, like if we just rip right back through this thing, NQ is actually a scam. Oh, NQ is actually a scam. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely a scam. Silent treatment, three times the charm. I better get my flat and all button ready just in case. What if it like doesn't let me cancel my trade? That'd be crazy. Oh, come on. You're not going to hold it for support one time, bro? Once? Just once. It was like the fattest resistance I've ever seen in my life. You can't hold it for support just one time. That's why support and resistance doesn't work, chat. I don't care what anyone says. ICT or die, right, chat? Right, chat? Hands in. Ready? ICT on me, ICT on 3. 1, 2, 3, ICT. The SMT got us. Bastard. Yeah, come on. Whatever. Get it over with. Thank you. Flat and all. I'm out. All right, it worked. Sweet. 560 per account. All right. Well, we got our data highs. That's something, I guess. Got our data highs finally. Oh my god, what a pain in the ass that was. What a pain in the arse, boys. Macro starting. SMT against us now. I don't know, boys. What are we thinking? Is this going to dump? Glad I took that last little partial there, though. Shit, that helped. You know, makes you feel good when you see an exit like that. I guess I don't know what you'd call this risk reward, but we'll call that trade management, chat. That'll be in module 6 or 7 of my course. Be sure to check it out. Well, the only downside about this this heated mug is it doesn't hold as many fluid ounces, so I run out of coffee quicker. Or maybe it's just because it's staying warm, I'm just drinking it. I don't know. It could be one. It could be both. Both could be true, I guess. Chat, what are we thinking here, boys? Are we thinking higher? Are we thinking lower? Are you a grower or are you a shower? You know what I mean? Like just all kind of simple questions. But man, I still kind of want to see higher. But damn, man, I don't know. Why's it got to make it so hard? You know what I mean? Just go in a straight line. What's up with all this nonsense pulling back and forth? You know? We do still have data highs intact on NQ if NQ wants to go for them. 760s. You know, if this ends up being more, if this ends up being more of like a sick sister, if you will. Wait, where is it? Am I high? Wait a minute. Yeah, it's 958 on micro. It's 960 on E-mini. What's up, Slim Trady? Everything is fine, I guess, yeah. I mean, I don't know. I feel like we're kind of making do with what we got to work with here, but who knows? Maybe. I mean, if this is like, guys, you can't tell me this is just not disgusting, right? Like, if we're gonna come back, I don't know, like this big of a retracement in a move like this, it's like that's just sickening to hold on to. Is it not? Like, come on, that is sickening. Even if it does play out, right, for higher, like that's just ridiculous. I don't know. Obviously on the lower time frames, given everything, like higher time frames, I feel more bullish because we've rebalanced already. But like these lower time frames are screaming like short after SMTing the highs here, totally disrespecting here. Like, I don't know. It's almost like this would be maybe be in play, right? Like something like this, perhaps, but it just goes against what I want to see on the higher time frame, so I feel like I shouldn't mess with that. You know, I feel like I have to stay. Like I did say, I'm like, all right, if I'm wrong, like this will all fail, right? This range that we rebalanced. But I'm not going to predict that. I'm not going to try to like trade against that and you know, hope that it fails. It's just like, no, I'm going to stick with the thesis until it fails. Which is probably the safer bet. You know, so anyway, I don't know. What's everybody doing right now? Long, shorts, sitting on your hands. I'm out of the trade fully. 560 per account, roughly. Yeah, Made Do had to sit through just an unbearable chop here. Literally had to break out the silent treatment. Entry 1009. Finally stopped out on the runner here in profit at 1050, so beginning of the macro. 44 minutes sat in this thing. I don't know. I can't complain too much, though. At this point, we were not looking too hot. Probably thought we were going to get stopped out. We go mute. Market says, "Oh, okay." Made the move, delivered a target, so can't complain too much. But yeah, definitely looks like a bearish signature at these highs, I'm not gonna lie. It does, it does. I cannot tell a lie, chat. All things subject to change, of course. Oh my god, ES just ripping lower. Jeez. 15 minutes, about to flip. Are we going to engulf on the 15? We got 3 minutes left here till the top. Wait. Yeah, 3 minutes left here till the top of the hour. Yeah, let's see what happens around 11, guys. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. Can't complain too much. Could always be worse. Didn't get stopped out. Had to hold through the whole hour to get to our target, but better late than never. Right? I think so. Yeah, she does look a little ugly. Well, let me get the screenshot before I remove any drawings. Let me get the old screenshot for old tweeter. Because if you don't get the screenshot, it didn't happen, right? And just in case this full blown goes to target afterward, I want to get the picture beforehand, because that would be something else. Yeah, download that image. There we go. There we go. There we go, bro. That's just asinine. It's gonna come all the way back up and fly. Like, you know, I like to think I'm good, but I'm just not that good. You know what I mean? I can't see myself wanting to hold that. It's just, it is what it is. Now, you could also make the argument that it comes down to entry, right? Like, you got to remember, my first initial limit order was down here. You know, so had I left that on, the reason that I didn't leave this on is because we had hit my first target, which was that first presented gap, right? So that was the logic behind taking it off. But remember, like, you know, if I'm sitting in that entry, I'm still in this trade. I'm still just holding some runners, but we'll see how it all shakes out. Hot. Let's see here. All right, moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. Is this Venom model? Is this Venom model for lower? Or will the higher time frames prevail and we see price go back to these highs? What's it going to be? I did wait for the macro El Grande. I just waited for it while in the trade. 11 a.m. about to roll in here. Look at this 10 a.m. candle, bro. How does Silver Bullet look like shit all the time? Look at this 10 a.m. candle. How did we make money in that? That's crazy, actually. That has stop loss written all over it. Absolutely fucking disgusting. We are still holding, obviously, that 9 a.m. lower wick, right? What Venom is? I think Venom is this, right? Like, basically, it's like a BPR type of a setup. And this is supposed to be the fang of a snake or some shit. I don't know. I don't know. You have to ask ICT. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. What's up, Dom? I read the comment and then I saw who left it. That's funny. Oh, brother. Well, let's see. It looks like JD Dutch is in shorts. Thirst trades looking for shorts potentially. Robin long, but not yet. Yeah, boys. I really don't know what we do from here. But overall, I think I feel pretty good about all things considered. I feel pretty decent. I mean, the reality is, like, the only opportunity in that 10 a.m. hour in hindsight is basically what we did. So, yeah, all things considered, I feel like management was pretty decent. Gave it a chance to still follow through. But, yeah, overall, can't complain too much. And then now it's kind of if this higher time frame wants to full-blown flip this range, right? Or do we hold these, you know, rejection blocks and finally see price continue later on? It's kind of the question. So Oh, Biddy's down 1.5% today. Solana's down 2.5%. Dang. Dude, is Cardano dead? I think Cardano might be dead. That's a bummer. That is a bummer. That is a bummer. That is a bummer. Yeah, man, we basically needed every bit of our stop here. Cardano been dead for a while. Dude, yo, look at when we had the April crash, obviously. Bro, here's what I bought. I bought on April 9th. I literally just I put this line on these assets like Ethereum, Cardano, Solana. I put them on here because, well, I had to brag about the screenshot when everything was pumping, right? So I got a really nice April 9th entry. Obviously, Cardano never really did that much. But, like, at one point, Ethereum was just bussing. Look at that fucking entry, boys. From that entry, it was up 210%. Your boy hit a 1 to 2R and didn't sell. What's new? What do you guys think? Bear market? Well, this looks like shit. Cardano holders love their wife's boyfriends rug pulling them. Says taken in. Tell me why. All right, guys, let me know in the chat if you are green, red, or flat. Let me double check something real quick. All right, guys, yeah, the Black Friday sale. The Black Friday sale is indeed live. Give me 1 second here. Give me 1 second of chat. Chat, please. Chat, please. Give me 1 second, please. Got it. Chat, please. All right, boys. The Black Friday sale is live with Tradeify. So 25, 50K lightning funded accounts, 50K, 100K, 150K growth accounts. Use code TT. Code Tyler also works. Use code TT. It ends December 1st, so Monday. Monday at midnight Eastern Standard Time, boys and girls. I gave you guys the warning earlier in the stream that if you were buying Tradeify accounts to wait a little bit until the sale launched. So hopefully some of you guys did that, save some money on the accounts that you were going to otherwise be purchasing. Also, 1 second here. Let me see if... Also, guys, if you're not already in the Discord, go ahead and hop in the Discord, because I'm going to be doing some giveaways in there. I'll be announcing the Discord, like different giveaways we're going to do, in there, over the course of probably later today, tomorrow, and then, you know, Thanksgiving, Black Friday. So yeah, hop in the Discord if you're not already in there. Link is in the chat or in the description. And then yeah, man, I gotta re-up my TradingView subscription. Gotta remember to not do that, or remember to do that rather, before the deal runs out. So it's usually always what I do, boys. I usually just buy I buy it during Black Friday. It's a tax write-off. I usually just get the biggest one. And call it a day, right? So it's usually what I do. The first stage of the cup finished, Anthony, but the live finals, I believe, start. Did they start? Wait, what is the date today? Yeah, I think the live finals started this week. Or is it next week? I don't know. Either way, I'm not in it, so that's why I don't know. But yeah, hit the like button, boys and girls. Hit the like button. We'll do one giveaway here on stream before we go. How about that? If we can get the likes up. We got to get the likes up though. You guys have been real stingy with the likes lately. I don't know what I did to piss you off. But yeah, let's go. Let's get it up to like 150 likes. 150 likes, we'll do a giveaway here. 150 likes, we'll do a giveaway. All right. Otherwise, guys, yeah, man. Fairly decent day today, all things considered. Looking like we're probably selling back off into this range. From the looks. Yeah, just not really willing to play anything on this, to be honest. And might be good if we're just going to get more sideways action going into the rest of this morning. Otherwise, yeah, looking ahead to tomorrow. Unemployment claims. And that's it. I don't think we got any earnings. We got John Deere tomorrow, boys. John Deere earnings. John Deere green. That's it. John Deere green. Yeah, I'll be trading tomorrow, Mr. Gamer. Tomorrow's not Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is on Thursday. So I won't be trading Thursday and Friday, just Monday through Wednesday this week. But yeah, hop in the Discord, guys, if you aren't already in there. We're going to do the giveaway in there. And then we'll also do more giveaways over the rest of the week from there as well. They might not all be like in the Discord, but I'll announce whatever it is in there. And then we'll probably do some more giveaways tomorrow on stream as well to wrap up the week. But yeah, guys, keep running up the likes. We're at 125. Once we get to 150, we'll do the giveaway in the Discord. I'll go ahead and get it ready here quick. Ba-da-dum-da-da-dum-da-da-da-da. Tell me why. Here's what we'll do. We'll start the giveaway now. We'll give it 5 minutes. 1. So if you guys are in the Discord, go ahead and hit the old giveaway button to get entered in. If we don't got the like goal hit by the time the timer ends, we'll cancel the giveaway. We'll cancel the giveaway like it never happened. So 150 likes on the YouTube stream. Hit the like button, boys. Hit the like button. Come on. We suffered through the chop. We pulled out all the stops. Silent treatment. You name it. 150 likes on the YouTube stream. Hit the like button, boys. Hit the like button. Come on. We suffered through the chop. We pulled out all the stops. Silent treatment. You name it. 150 likes on the YouTube stream. Hit the like button, boys. Hit the like button. Come on. We suffered through the chop. We pulled out all the stops. Silent treatment. You name it. We did it. You know what I mean? We did it. We held through. I mean, if me holding through this for 44 minutes without fumbling doesn't earn the like, I don't know what more I can do to please you guys. You know what I mean? Like, I just don't know what more I can do. Maybe just streaming's not for me. Maybe streaming's not for me. It's a good run, though. I mean, might have to just throw in the towel, I guess. You know? Would anybody miss me if I just said, you know what, I think I'm just going to take a break from streaming and just, like, didn't stream for, like, 6 months? If I just, like, disappear for 6 months, would you guys miss me, or would you guys be like, nah, bro, we got it covered from other streamers elsewhere, so we don't really need you? Like, if I just deleted my whole YouTube and said, you know what, it's over. Can't get 150 likes on a stream, it's over. Hit the like button, boys. We're 19 likes away. This giveaway will not happen. I will cancel this giveaway, and I'm not joking. I will cancel this giveaway if we don't get to 150 likes. I'll cancel it. It won't happen. And I'll delete my YouTube forever. All right. TikTok. 3 minutes left. Let me just get my YouTube. Let me pull up the YouTube settings. I'm just going to get the delete account button ready. Because fuck this. I've had enough. It was a good run, though. It was a good run. Where's my delete account button? Ugh. Never thought it would come to this. Never thought it would come to this, but here we are. Here we go. I found it. 7 likes away, chat. 7 likes away. 2 minutes to go. Otherwise, it's over, boys. It's over. Remove YouTube account. That'd suck, but what do you do? Also, the P&L check in the chat, 47% green, 23% red. Hell yeah. Oh, good. 154 likes. Woo-wee! Jesus Louise. Boys, I thought I was going to have to delete my account. Oh, my goodness. All right, guys. Less than a minute. We'll pick the giveaway winner in here. If you're not entered already, hit the little entry bell. You've already entered the giveaway. Fuck you. Let me enter again. What if I win? How come I never win one of these? I actually get it now. I get why everyone says rigged, because I just never win. Believe me, I think my own giveaway is rigged. This sucks. Well, technically taken in, he didn't say when he would delete it. Maybe he's still gonna hold. Maybe he's still gonna hold true to his word. Maybe he's just like, you know what I mean? He just buy him. He's just gonna buy himself a few extra years. What's up, SMT? Long now. Could be. Maybe. Yeah, I'm not really interested in this. I've sat through enough chop for the day. I'm done with the chop. I've sat through it enough today. Let this market chop around. All right, guys, we got our giveaway winner in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And your winner is... I don't know why it does this to me every time. Who is this? How come I can never see the full name? Like, I click on the profile, I can't even see the name. Is it my Discord? Am I bugging? Am I bugging? or no? Anyway, congrats. Oh, something. Usually I can see it when they make the ticket. So after that, I can finally. Who did these flags? Who did this one? Wright in JMH Golf. Someone did the transgender flag, I thought too. Oh. All right, guys. Congratulations if you're in the chat. I'm sorry this is not showing me your full name. But make a ticket in the Discord under tickets. And then I will get the code to you here a little bit later after stream. But otherwise, guys, yeah, man. Appreciate you guys showing up. I feel like we managed the day pretty well with what we had to work with. It sounds like most of you guys are green in the chat as well. So it's always good, man. Always good. Black Friday sale is live, guys, with Tradeify. Code Tyler or code TT. 40% off. 2550K Lightning fundeds and 50, 100K, 150K growth accounts, guys. But yeah, join the Discord if you're not in there already. We'll do more giveaways coming up. We'll do more giveaways tomorrow as well. And yeah, man, we'll try to close the week on a high note. So far, green yesterday, green today. I'll let you guys know if I take anything else, I guess. But yeah, man, I just really wanted to see higher on these higher time frames, 15-minute, 1 hour. And obviously trying not to get stuck in too many deep retracements or chop. So yeah, overall I guess it's good, but looking like it might still get that push. 1 times 2 SMT, man. You might be onto something with that long. You said long now, like right here. Did we SMT? Looks like we did SMT a little bit at the low. Yep. So yeah, man. Congrats if you're green, guys. If you're red today, I don't know. It was kind of a trickier day, right? Really quick moves early, and then 10 a.m. was a big doji candle. So yeah, all with that being said, I think it was pretty good, all things considered. So appreciate you guys. Hit the like button on your way out if you have not already. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow, 9:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, boys and girls. But enjoy your Tuesday. I'll see you guys for Hump Day. Peace and love, everybody.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Joints on my playground, never ask you why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trade lots now, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age every single day. Trendline snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.